say,
You
bro,
can
because I've
see
been
him
casting.
chilling.
I done cast it all down that bank, bro.
Is he back on the bed already?
The other one, he done bit it already.
No.
He done bit it already.
No.
They don't like that bluegill, bro. He big too. Bro, he big too. Why do he look so small? Yo, back again with another video. Yes, I am back again. Today we got some mail. Got a little mail, nothing too crazy. See if we can open this up. See what we got. It's like Christmas in the summer. What we got here? Ooh, what do we have here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that bluegill. Yes, sir. Focus, focus. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we're gonna start with this here bluegill. We're gonna take him out the package. Get a better look at him. Oh man. I already know this is gonna be my favorite one. So check him out. Now this is called a hyper jerk. If you're not hip to that, this is a 6-cent lure. It is what is referred to as a lipless jerkbait. Now, lipless jerkbaits are, you know, famous in saltwater or well known in saltwater. But they made a freshwater version of these lipless jerkbaits. And I just know that bluegill pattern is just gonna be crazy. It's gonna be real cool. I might take that out later today, put it to the test. We're gonna set that to the side. I'm almost equally excited about this one as well. You know, there's a time and place for each, you know, different type of forage. Get her out the pack real quick. Ooh-wee. That's just like your everyday average minnow or chub or any other small little bait fish color. When they're young, they're about that color. It's almost got like a golden tint to the face, darker greenish blue hue to the top. Of course, it's got that white, almost translucent white bottom. Hooks look very good. Feathered treble on the back. Oh man, she's ready to go. Check that out for a double header. That is crazy. I'm gonna put both of these to the test later today. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have time to get out there and get after it. Definitely looking forward to seeing the action on these guys. Now, I've seen it on video, but I've yet to fish anything like this personally myself yet. Never experienced even a saltwater lipless jerkbait. So I'm excited to see what's going on, man. Stay tuned and check us out on the water just here in a few. Fish number one. Fish number one. Yes, sir. Get up in here. Yes, sir. How you doing? How you doing this morning? That's fish number one. It's not gonna do much for us on the biggest fish. I think old Yak Man sees a biggin over there. Might be working on a biggin. Keep on Keep on working this here worm. That was big. Whatever that was, she was big. I gotta get back in there. Come over here and see what old Yak Man got. He said he sees a big one. Alright, so I pull up to check out these fish that Yak Man is seeing over here in the shallows. We have some obvious bedding activity going on here on the lake. He's seen multiple big fish. We finally spot two on the bed, locked on. And these are fish he's been moving around trying to fish for. I eventually tie on the jerkbait, which you won't see me tie it on because I cut my GoPro to save some footage, some time, and I eventually catch one of these big monster fish. Damn, I wasn't recording. I caught a big one on the jerk ski. Hey, he bigger than I thought. He definitely bigger than I thought. Hey, his tail is fucked. I might need your help because I can't sit down. On the jerk ski, huh? Bro, like I pitched it in the bed and it's a slow sink. Casually swam over. I wish I was fucking recording. You probably could have seen it on camera. I had paused my GoPro apparently.
Yes. Wait. Yeah, that's him with the tail.
Mm-hmm.
See, you saw the other one over there too, though.
So the other one might be bigger than I thought.
Measure him, cause he's a little bit shorter than I thought he was. Man, his tail is fucked up. Oh my god.
Yeah, that shit is over with. I don't even know how that happens like that.
I'm jealous.
Got him. Got him.
OG, bro.
The OG, where my pliers at?
Look at his butt. That man got parasites.
Where my pliers at? I had my pliers,
Boy,
huh?
those eggs. Here. Are those eggs or parasites?
I don't see what you're talking about yet.
On his butt, whenever you get that out.
On that real quick. Shit.
I didn't think to try no damn jerkbait. I don't want to throw jerkbait anywhere. I'm calling it 5-3. Your handle, bro.
580.
Damn, I was close.
Big, boy.
He looked a lot longer in the water. That's why I was thinking of 8.
Alright. Oh, big girl. Biggest one I caught in a little while. Let's get the release on her. There she go. On back to your bed. Definitely bedding, that's weird.
It's a pond.
I'm about to go see if I can catch the other one. I think I won. It's potential. It's potential.
You definitely did win. I should have just kept at it and not said that.
You should have. You know I was going. Hey, you know I was going to figure that shit out.
I was just like, they didn't look. I'm gonna catch this shit and I ain't even gonna tell them. See that joint?
Oh, never mind. There you go. Let me see if I can get my pliers sitting right there.
I've been throwing everything, goddamn.
That little joint. Bro, threw it on his bed. It was suspended down. Came in cool as hell. Just.
That's 6 cents?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dang. So it's still like a jerkbait?
You can jerk it, but it slowly sink.
So it don't like...
Yeah, it's still jerk.
All the way to the bottom, so it's just sink all the way to the bottom?
If you let it sink that long, it sink real slow. So it'll take forever to get to the bottom. Like drop it in the water right now, you see how slow it sinks.
God damn, to give me some of them.
Look at that.
Jerk
You,
again. That was a little, okay.
so kind of move up when you jerk. So
Oh yeah.
go here and see if I can catch the catch the other one.
Oh, nigga, that one mine. I'm going back. Motherfucker.
It was like 3 of them, bro.
I'm about to sit right here and watch y'all. Bro, it's a bunch of them over here, bro.
GoPro start recording.
Over there, but I left him alone because he looked like a freak. I know that sounds crazy, but I see you fly beside him.
Right.
I said, I'm chasing you. Bro, we over here. We legit over here podcast. That's what I'm here to say, bro. You can see him chilling. I've been casting all down that bank, bro. Is he back on the bed already?
The other one. He done bit it already. He done bit it already. Ah! They don't like that bluegill, bro. He big too. Bro, he big too. Why do he look so small?
I'm so fucking mad at you.
I didn't think he was gonna eat it. Not that quick, bro. Oh, stop.
I saw you.
Oh my God.
Because that man just threw in there, bro.
Literally, just he did the same thing, bro. Bro, it's probably countless more down this bank. It probably is.
And I ain't got my glasses. Hey, he big too. I didn't think he was that big. Hey, I'm Captain Jack Sparrow right now.
I did not think he was that
Hey,
big.
bro. Send me the link to them things.
I will.
Hey, I'm real.
Bro, they do not like that joker at all, bro.
All of my small jerkbaits.
Bad fishing bait of the year. They do not like that joker at all.
You know what? I'm not selling this bluegill for a crankbait.
Bro, cause we done threw like 5 different baits in there.
That's what I'm about to say, bro. I literally watched Carlton, bro. Fish that one spot, bro, for like.
He just came up and smoked that joker, bro.
All jokes aside, bro. That was it, 3/8.
He's about 3.5.
What is that, 3/8 that bait you throwing?
I really don't know, to be honest with you.
Probably light. Bro, you just threw that mug in there, bro.
Literally.
Like about 3 or 4.
312.
Yeah, I'm about
So 312. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Guys, that is it for today's video. Some very dope action on the beds on this here pond. Right now we're just talking, wrapping it up. I'm gonna take it to the house. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. Catch you in the next video. I'm out.